equals does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V10. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your home, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before carrying out any repairs. No phone calls, no travel required. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The trigger issue with the Dyson V10 often arises due to wear and tear or a buildup of debris. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further malfunctions, making your vacuum less effective. To tackle this problem, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Begin by ensuring the device is unplugged and safe to handle. Carefully use the flathead screwdriver to pry open the casing of the Dyson V10, taking care not to damage the plastic clips. Once open, locate the trigger mechanism, which is typically situated near the handle. Inspect it for any visible signs of damage or obstruction. If you find debris, gently clean it with a soft cloth. If the trigger is broken, you will need to remove it by unscrewing the screws that hold it in place. Be mindful of the screw types, they are usually small Phillips screws. Apply gentle force when removing them to avoid stripping. Once the screws are out, carefully disconnect any cables attached to the trigger. When replacing the trigger, ensure that it is aligned correctly and reattach the screws firmly but not overly tight, as this could damage the plastic. Reconnect any cables you previously disconnected, ensuring they are secure. To reassemble the device, carefully snap the casing back together, ensuring all clips are engaged. If at this point it feels too complex, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your home and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean the trigger area and avoid using the vacuum on excessively dirty surfaces that may cause debris buildup. If you don't want to risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect it, repair it and deliver it back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.